What?
I pet him.
You want to pet him?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Pet him. Is that a fish? What is that, Emberlyn? What is it? Huh?
Pictures. Pictures.
I'm taking pictures. Alright, good pose. And what are they?
Pictures.
Picture? Okay. They just took one. Can you say that's called a bluegill?
I want to take mommy.
No, we're not taking them to mommy. Can you say bluegill? Can you say bait? Neither one right now?
I wish it.
Do you want Daddy to catch more fish tonight?
Yeah.
Huh?
More fish.
You want Daddy to catch more fish?
Yeah.
Do you want Daddy to catch small or big ones?
Small.
You want Daddy to catch small ones?
Big.
You want Daddy to catch big ones?
Big.
Big ones? Daddy likes catching big ones.
That's you, fish.
I got you, fish.
Look, mommy.
Mommy, she's fishing in the sink.
I don't want a little.
She caught a big one.
Did you move my clean dishes?
Yeah. Alright, Daddy's got to turn them into bait, okay?